The internet is a world of viral trends.
And we're just scrolling through it.
From viral vada pav didi
To the smallest croissants.
to popcorn momos,
And in this video,
we are going to try them all. Mehnat plus kismat. Oh my god.
sorry.
किस वैशी दरिंदे के साथ आ गया भाई? इतना बेसन फेंकूंगी मैं। भाई हम कौन सी दुनिया में हैं? नहीं ये मारुति 800 है शायद। मतलब some people might question like yo यार size क्यों छोटा दे रहे हो? Usually तो आपको बड़ा चाहिए होता है। So we are at Tanvi's Dream Oven
In Punjabi Bagh.
to try some hyper realistic cakes.
I mean, I have been seeing these things all over the internet. They look so cute and so realistic. I had to try.
Honestly बताऊं, just by the looks of it, this is my personal favorite.
What dog is it? Tell me.
हाँ?
What breed is that?
अब ये दिख रहा है अच्छे से?
Ignore देख रहे हो कैसे बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आंसर नहीं पड़ रहा.
I think ये बहुत अच्छे से दिख रहा है. I think इसका breed है bear.
Brown bear.
ये भी सो रहा है तो इसको उठाएंगे नहीं.
And this is a yellow
इसको
beetle.
कवर कर देते हैं यार, इसको ठंड लग रही होगी यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा.
ये लो.
इसको थोड़ा सा कवर कर दे. ओह बच्चा सो रहा है.
Oh my God, I'm with a child.
एक
अच्छा
मिनट.
गर्दन से करो गर्दन.
एक मिनट. हेलो पीटा. This is pure Belgium chocolate. Honestly, these kind of hyper-realistic cakes are not found anywhere in Delhi.
Why are you being so cute about it?
It has to be cute. What's wrong with you, man? Oh my God. Okay, मेरे ख्याल से इसको सोने देते हैं यार. इसकी नींद में इसकी What the fuck is wrong? Oh my God. What is wrong with her? I'll start feeling bad.
Yeah, guys, they're just cake.
I honestly thought most of the things that are viral, okay, they're viral because of the showbazi, not because of the actual taste.
Yeah.
So this is a good combination of both, where it's actually viral because of the looks of it, but it's also very tasty.
So all of them are priced differently, but they fall in the range of 500 to 800 rupees, and they take 4 hours to make.
So, according to us, this viral dish is justified.
भैया वड़ा पाव वाली दीदी पता है? कहाँ है? यहाँ.
She really is viral, bro.
और हमारे को जो स्ट्रगल लगी यहाँ पर आने के लिए, क्योंकि हम इनकी दूसरी लोकेशन पे चले गए थे जो बंद हो गई है, एंड शी शिफ्टेड टू अ नियर बाय मार्केट.
Yeah.
हमने एटलीस्ट 15 लोगों से रुक के पूछा है कि वड़ा पाव गर्ल कहाँ है, वड़ा पाव गर्ल. मैं पिछले 5 महीने से वेट कर रही हूँ कि मैं आके चंद्रिका का वड़ा पाव खाऊँ. I think the main star of this dish is the chutney. The chutney is so good.
Delhiites, including me, are obsessed with green chutney. I honestly thought it's not going to be good. Again, if it's so viral, if it's getting so popular, there has to be some sort of scam or something, but it's actually good.
This has to be possibly one of the better vada pavs I've had in Delhi. But it's really good. And how much was this for? For 50 bucks for a vada pav, right?
Hey, not bad. Usually what viral foods are made out of is fusion, right? This is not a fusion food. This is a regular vada pav, but it's tasty.
So do you think this viral dish is justified?
I think it's justified.
So now we're at Counter Culture Coffee to have some.
Little chotu croissant.
They're so cute, yaar. I anyway love croissants, but they're usually this big, right?
This is big.
Okay, let me get those mentioned little chotu croissants.
What is this?
Chocolate.
Hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate.
थोड़ा सा पी लूं?
Next.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you have to put your croissants in there.
Ooh. Out.
अब इसके ऊपर हम डालेंगे थोड़ा whipped cream.
Double dip. Alright. You take it, dip in the sauce with a little bit of whipped cream. Yes. It's damn good, bro. I don't think I can go back to regular croissants now.
The good thing about this mini croissant is that it's cereal size. You get it in a base of milk chocolate instead of milk with some whipped cream, and you literally gobble it up like cereal.
This is one of the best combinations I've ever had. Whipped cream with hot chocolate and these little croissants.
And this is just for rupees 410. मेरे को बहुत लेट हो रहा है, मुझे पॉपकॉर्न मोमो खाने जाना है. ओके
पॉपकॉर्न मोमो
बंद हो रहा है।
पॉपकॉर्न मोमो है क्या?
हाँ।
तो जल्दी से पहुंचते हैं।
भैया मेरे को मेयोनीज मत डालना।
चिकन डिनर आपका?
हाँ। Respect, no mayo. Finally, we're in N Block Market of GK1 with the popcorn momos,
This is just like the croissants. I think even smaller for that matter.
but in momo form.
Exactly. Like usually बड़ा है तो बेहतर है, but in the viral reels trends, I think छोटा है तो बेहतर.
And this is from Catly Momos, if you guys already don't know.
I mean, it tastes exactly like how momos taste.
I have chicken momos and he has,
Paneer momos.
yeah, and they're both for 50 bucks. The thing about these momos though, you can never stop at one plate only.
Just like popcorn.
The chutney is really spicy for all the spice lovers. मुझे बहुत spicy पसंद है पर ये तो मेरे को भी लग रहा
Are
है।
you a mayo girl?
I hate mayo. You can see it's untouched. So
Well,
good.
is that happy dance?
Yeah, so good.
How is it different than a regular momo though? Tell me.
Because you don't have to bite it twice to finish the same momo. It doesn't feel like your entire mouth is full. You can just munch on it. It's easier to consume and it's cute, bro.
I don't see the difference between this and another momo apart from the size. It's just repackaging it and making it viral because people like different things nowadays.
Yeah, but he's been doing the same size for 14 years. He didn't repackage it.
Yeah,
It
I
just
think
went
14
viral
years
now.
पहले बस Instagram नहीं था. That's why. And 14 years पहले Go Out by Zomato भी नहीं था. Hopefully you have subscribed us by now. If you haven't, I know what you're doing.
So I'm gonna be a little biased. I've been coming to this place pre-viral, so it's always gonna be justified for me.
Okay, I don't think it's justified at all from me. And it's a joint call from both of us that it's unjustified. Okay.
So look at this traffic.
समोसा खाने के लिए लगा है? मैं उतर रहा हूँ यहाँ से. मैं नहीं चला रहा यहाँ पे गाड़ी.
इसलिए मना कर रहा था कि इसलिए मैं मत लेकर
क्या
आना गाड़ी।
झूठी मक्कार है तू.
So it's 11 p.m. right now and we are outside of Shaheen Bagh for the viral Afghani samosa.
And we are outside for a reason because it's a stampede inside. What is it made of?
So this has Afghani bread instead of the samosa mein use hota hai.
And it has shredded chicken inside it. And
And on top there are some toppings.
on top there are some toppings, guys.
I'll tell you because you were the one who went inside, so you should know what they gave us.
मैं थक चुका हूँ खा खा के और नहीं खाना है मुझे वायरल खाना.
हमने पूरा दिन दिल्ली का पूरा एक चक्कर काटा है, like literally a circle all around Delhi to find all of this viral food.
Yeah,
And I can't wait for this day to end because honestly I'm very full.
yeah.
But chalo, let's go for the last dish. It's like literally a bread and some chicken. इसमें समोसे का कोई point नहीं है, just because अंदर घुसा दिया है.
Probably it's just some Afghani guy who made it. That's why it's Afghani. Could that be a reason?
Maybe, possibly. But it's quite good.
It's not like a regular samosa for sure. But honestly, none of these things saw over the internet we ever tasted. So it's definitely worth tasting.
Just by the way, this is for 30 bucks.
Alright, so what is the final verdict of this viral dish?
So this Afghani samosa is a no from.
What? I was gonna give a yes.
No.
I think it's okay. It's
Maybe.
okay. And if you really liked this viral dish video, इस video को viral कर दो.
And don't forget to subscribe to
Go out! Go, 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 go.